Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an innovative gadget that can make your life a little easier, the Reduction Voice-Activated Recorder. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is and why you might want to add it to your collection of tech tools. The Reduction Voice-Activated Recorder is a compact device designed to capture audio whenever it detects sound. It's perfect for anyone who needs to record conversations, lectures, interviews, or personal notes without the hassle of manual recording. One of the standout features of this recorder is its voice activation capability. This means it will only start recording when it hears sound, conserving battery life and storage space. It also supports easy playback, so you can listen to your recordings at your convenience. The built-in timestamps are particularly helpful, allowing you to easily navigate through your recordings and find specific moments without having to sift through hours of audio. Another important feature is its scheduled recording option. If you have a meeting or lecture that you can't attend, you can set the recorder to start on its own, ensuring you never miss critical information. Plus, it doubles as a USB flash drive, which means you can easily transfer your recordings to your computer or store other files on it. So, who is this recorder suitable for? It's ideal for students who want to capture lectures and review them later, professionals who need to record meetings or interviews, or even writers looking to jot down ideas on the go. It's also great for podcasters or content creators who need a reliable way to capture high-quality audio without heavy equipment. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're in a classroom setting, and the professor is delivering an important lecture. Instead of frantically taking notes, you can simply press record and focus on understanding the material. Later, when you play it back, the timestamps will help you locate key parts of the lecture quickly. Or consider a journalist in the field conducting interviews. With the voice activation feature, the recorder will capture only the relevant parts of the conversation, making it easier to sort through the audio later. You can also use it for personal projects, whether you need to jot down thoughts while walking or capture snippets of inspiration throughout your day. Overall, the Reduction Voice-Activated Recorder is a versatile tool that can significantly enhance productivity and efficiency in various aspects of life. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.